Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Release IQ Insight, your go-to place for the latest technology updates and industry insights. If you enjoy staying ahead with new trends, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. So I was looking about the VL I was, searching something related to the VL So I got this news that in December 11, 2025, Meta AI researcher published one paper that is all about the VL So that paper is reviewed. You can review that. So you can download from this given link. So I already downloaded this. So you can go through with this complete paper. Here they have provided what VL will going to provide and what is the introduction of it, and then you can go through the methodologies they are using it. So everything, all the details are covered here in this paper. If you want, we can deep dive into this. But first, like, what is the VLJPA? So they introduced as VLJPA as a vision language model built on a joint embedding predictive architecture. And right now we have already have LLM, right? So how it is different with LLM? Because all these technologies, new technologies are developing to help at the end human. So we have to know, we have to understand about this, that what is LLM and what is VL Shaper. And I'm not saying that LLM will going to end in this era, but it is a plus point. Like, we have already LLM, now we have the VL Shaper. So we will going to talk more about this today. So in this video, I will explain you what is LLM, what VLJPA is, and most importantly, we will going to discuss about the real difference between them using simple examples. So first we will understand that what is LLM. So first let's talk about LLM or large language model. So LLM are AI model trained on huge amount of text. Okay. For example, it could be books, articles, or websites and conversations, lots of conversations. So basically it have the data set, huge massive data set. Or their main job is very simple, predicting the next word, or you can call it as token. So they are working based on their previous token. And we can understand this by some of the examples. Like if I says like I'm going to the, and the place is empty maybe, so LLM will predict like you're going to market, office, or a school, like that. So that's how model like chat GPT work. They are excellent doing the job in talking, writing, explaining, and coding too. But remember this, that LLM understand language, not the physical world. This is the like usually LLM do, or LLM understand in this way. But let's talk about the VLJPA. So now VLJPA stands for, first of all, we had to understand that the full form of the VLJPA is that Vision Language Joint Embedding Predictive Architecture. Instead of learning from text, only VLJPA learns from image, visual scenes, and how the world behave. Its goal is not to predict only words. Its goal is to predict what will happen next. Prediction is like that, what will going to happen next. So if we can understand this in another word is like VL Shepa learns by observing and predicting reality. This idea comes from Meta AI, and it's a very big step actually towards building AI that understand the real world. We can understand this difference by few of the examples. So let's suppose that you have a cup on a table. Okay, you have a table. On top of that, you have a cup. So imagine a cup placed near the edge of table. Okay, you can imagine that. And now what LLM will going to say, that the cup is near the edge and may fall. Okay, that's a language based answer. It is what LLM is giving, language based answer. But when we talk about the VLJPA, so it is going to think in a different way, and it will going to predict like about the balance, gravity, and motion, and understand that if the cup is pushed, so it will fall down, right? So you can understand the difference between both of them. So it means that LLM will going to describe it, but VLJPA is going to predict about it, right? So this is the very good example. We can understand this with some other scenarios or other example as well. Now let's imagine a driving scenario. A pedestrian is stepping onto the road, okay, and LLM might say that the driver should slow down. That's rule based advice which LLM is going to give. But what about the VLJPA? VLJPA will going to predict that pedestrian movement at vehicle speed and braking distance. Okay, so this is why VLJPA is very useful for self-driving car. Now, let's take another example, like a robot picking a glass. So now let's imagine that imagine about a robot picking up a glass. So an LLM can says that pick the glass carefully, but that's not the enough. VLJPA will predict that hand position, grip position. If your grip is loose, obviously it will fall down. So grip position, object stability, and that's the real world intelligence. So yeah, this is the way you can understand the difference between LLM and VLJPA. So we can understand this with some more examples like broken glass. So if there is a broken glass on the floor, for suppose, what LLM will going to say that what it is going to describe that broken glass is danger. Obviously it is danger, but VLJPA predicts that injury risk, it is going, what is the harmful of injury risk, safe walking path, possible accidents. So that is situational answer. Okay, so it is basically understanding it like a human kind of. So how they learn all these things? So here is the biggest difference between LLM. LLM learns like this, predict the next word, or you can say predict the next token basically, because LLM work on the token. So and VLJPA learns like this, that predict missing or future part of a scene. LLM read the internet, VLJPA observe the world. So this is the major difference in how they are learning it. Okay, this is we can understand with, I already give you a few of the examples. We can understand by this, and just this is really very high level. I just want you guys to make understand that what is the LLM and how the this VLJPA is describing or predicting, right? And we can also understand what is the future of AI with this. So the future of AI is not LLM or VLJPA. The future is LLM plus VLJPA, right? So both will be going to useful in future for human, and LLM will handle language and reasoning. VLJPA will going to handle the perception and prediction, and together they will build human like AI system. So this is what all about. So LLM talk about the world and VLJPA understand and predicts the world. That's the real difference between LLM and VLJPA.